Hi, my name is Michelle from Knitaway, and I'm really excited today because I'm going to be showing you my new craft product that I have actually designed myself. I've had it all packaged and photographs, instructions, everything, and it's a 3-in-1 Pom Pom Maker, and you can do up to 12 pom-poms, and it does bows, single bows, double bows, triple bows, and tassels. Okay, so let's get started and I'll show you what I've got. So here we have the 3-in-1. This is the actual box it comes in. So if you purchase one of these, this is how it would come. Absolutely lovely packaging. So turn it over, it's just telling you about my Instagram account, Twitter. So this is the boxed item. So what you actually get in the box is your Pom Pom Maker. It's actually been painted in a distressed look, 18mm thick, so it's nice and thick, and it measures 13 inches. You actually get 4 dowels. So you've got 2 dowels that you can use, and then you've got another 2 which are spare dowels. You've also got here, you've got a beautiful booklet. Now the booklet is a 12-page booklet. As you can see, really good pictures and telling you how to do it, little tips at the bottom. Also, it's actually showing you that some of the things that you can make as well. So quite exciting. So that's absolutely brilliant. So right, what we're going to do now is we're going to make 12 pom-poms at a time, one in one go. So 1 dowel in there, 1 dowel in there. So I'm going to use double knit. So what we first to do is just make a slip knot. So just make a circle, pull that through there. There you go. Just pull it. There we go. So put your slip knot on one of the dowels. There you go. And then just pull it. There we go. Right, so what you're going to do now is you're going to wrap this around, I would say about 80 times. Right, so we've now done that. Okay, that's gone round 80 times. So what you do now is just cut enough to do another slip knot. So what we're going to do is we'll just do another little slip knot and put it on the end there. So again, circle, pull it through like that, and then pull it tight. So what you need to do now is you want 12 strands, okay, about that long. So what we're going to do is, now just a little tip here, I just find it easier. I mean, you can just slide it under like that, right under the loom, but I actually use this like a little needle. So just thread that, I'll just get it through, thread that one. So put it through there, and then what I do, oh, never been good at threading needles. So what you do, thread your needle like that, and then just to make it easier, what I do is I'm gonna go, so the first one is gonna go there in the 1/2 inch. So pull it there like that, and then keep hold of that side, just pull it through, and there we go. So that's the first one. So line it up there on the 1/2 inch, get another one. So again, I just find it easier. You might be able to just put it, slide it, you can slide it under, but it's just a lot easier. So again, you're going to come through there. There we go. Just pull it through. There we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to line the second one on the 1/2 inch as well. So just line them up on there, and what you're going to do is just going to continue doing this all the way along. So let's just pop it in there. I mean, if you want to just don't want to bother with the needle, that's fine. For me, it just makes it easier. So I'm doing it from that way so that you can see. So I've got 3. Right, so that's them all done. So just make sure they're all lined up on the 1/2 inches. So all the way across, just double check them. Put them on there like that. All the way down. There we go. Just line them up. There we go. As easy as that. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to tie them. So we'll tie them. So tie a loose knot there. And then what we're going to do is, again, we're going to push it under. Now, I would get my needle again, but you can just push it under with your hand. But it just makes it easier. So just having a needle like this at the side is just brilliant. So I will push it. We're doing it this way because it will just make it where it's tighter, because you do want your pom-poms to be tight. So that goes back through there to the other side like that, and then that one goes through that way, through that way. This is just making a tighter knot, so keep it lined up, and then all you're going to do is pull it really tight. Can you see? Oops. So just make sure you're pulling it really tight, so you've got a nice tight pom-pom. So then you're tying it, pulling it tight, and then tie a double knot here. So that's what we're going to do. So you're going to do that all the way along. Got them all ready now. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what to do next. So we'll get some, I'll get the bigger scissors so it just makes it easier. So what you're going to do is, in fact, you can start from wherever you want. So we'll just start from the middle. So you're going to cut in between where the knots are. So can you see? So we're going to cut that. There we go. So you're going to go all the way along to do that. Get your pom-poms, one there. Make sure you don't cut your strands because they're to attach. 2. So just keep going all the way along. Watch your strands, like I say, because they're for the, and make sure you're cutting in the middle. So we'll keep going. Keep going. Keep them strands over there so we're not cutting the long strands, which they're obviously for using to attach to whatever you want to attach to. So all the way along. And watching my strands all the time as you're cutting. Oh, there, little pom-poms. Right, so put that there. Last one, and then we're going to slide. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide that off there, take the dowel out. So what we're going to do with this one is, I'll get my little scissors, just put it through, and then you're going to cut like that. Same with this one. So we'll slide the dowel out, take it out. Make sure you don't cut your long strands. So you're going to cut that all the way across, right through. There we go. Right, so what I'm going to show you to do now is, so you get your pom-poms by the long strands, okay, like that. So get your strands like that, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to do this like that, just slightly rub it, keep hold of that, fluff it up, and then what we'll do, just to trim, so you can trim little pom-poms there, look, just trim it round, and then just fluff it up. Keep trimming if you need to trim. So just keep doing that and then just fluff it in your hand like that. That's a lovely little pom-pom. So we've got one there. There we are, 12 beautiful pom-poms.